Today we are going to make singang, which is from Sumbawa Island, where I come from. It's a singang of Abe style. Okay, so this is the singang. Oh my gosh, my style singang. Let's do this. Okay, so coconut milk first. I love to use coconut milk. Okay, just a little bit coconut milk there. Mhm. Coconut milk. Then we have onion, any type of onion. If you have shallot, red onion, any type of onion. Okay, onion there. Or red pepper. I put lemongrass over there. Then we're gonna use my bumbu. It's called bumbu samawa. So turmeric, galangal, garlic, candle nut. That's the basics. Yeah, let's do 2 spoons. Yeah. Okay. All of them stop. Scallion. If you don't want to put scallion, that's fine. And then I put tomato. Okay. Any type of tomato. Let them boil, and then you can put any type of seafood here. So you can do shrimp, you can do fish, but mostly in my island we use fish with bones, with head, with tails. But today we're gonna use cod fillet fish, so it's easy to cook and fast. Okay? Caldo is boiling, or it's caldo, and then we're gonna put the fish. This is the cod fillet fish here. And then this is one of the most important ingredient to make singang. We call ruku or basil, Thai basil kind of taste. Just put one of them, okay? Ta-da. Yeah. So when the fish is almost done, so you can't dump the shrimp because you don't want the shrimp to be overcooked. Okay. So let the fish cook a little bit. Then you put the shrimp. The fish is almost done, so you can put the shrimp. Okay, yeah, the fish is almost done, so you can dump the shrimp. Okay, the shrimps here, the shrimp there, and lower the heat a little bit so the shrimp don't overcook, and then put some sambal to have some kicks. Put some sambal, okay, to have some kicks, just a little bit. Then the salt. This is a chicken base. I use chicken base. Any type of base. Do you want salt, beef base, or shrimp base is the best. Rather than have shrimp base, I'm gonna use this base. Okay. Just a little bit. All right. So just let them cook. 1 minute. It's done. Right. Wonderful.